Yo AutoAce fam! Today we're checking out one of Suzuki's most practical scooters, the all-new Suzuki Access 125. Known for its smooth to ride and excellent fuel economy, the question is it still worth it for daily use in 2026? Let's go! The Suzuki Access 125 is priced around 83,400 pesos, depending on the dealer. That makes it one of the most affordable 125cc scooters you can buy in 2026. Perfect for daily commuting. Engine and performance. 124cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. Power, 8.7 horsepower at 6.7 RPM. Torque, 10 Newton meters at 5.5 RPM. Transmission, CVT automatic. It's not built for racing, but for city riding. The engine is smooth, quiet, and very fuel efficient. Expect around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter in real-world use. Classic, simple, and clean look. Perfect for riders who prefer a more elegant design over sporty ones. Chrome highlights, halogen headlamp, and comfy upright ergonomics. Available in subtle colors like metallic gray, white, and blue. Seat height, 773 mm. Easy to mount for any height. Weight, only 103 kilograms. Very light to handle in traffic. Flat floorboard, easy leg movement and space for groceries or bags. Soft seat cushioning and smooth suspension, great for older riders or long daily commutes. Front storage bucket plus USB charging port. Under-seat storage, 21.8 liters. Fits daily essentials or a half-face helmet. Fuel tank, 5 liters. Good for 200 plus km range per full tank. Easy start system and combined braking system or CBS for safer stops. Fuel-injected engine ensures smoother idling and cleaner emissions. Pros: super fuel efficient, lightweight and easy to maneuver, reliable Suzuki build quality, comfortable seat and ride feel, great for all ages, students, seniors and commuters. Cons: no ABS option, looks a bit conservative compared to sportier scooters like the Mio or Click. Halogen lights, feels outdated in 2026. So, is the Suzuki Access 125 worth it for daily use? Absolutely. For riders who want a simple, reliable and tipid sa gas scooter, this is one of the most practical choices under 90,000 pesos. It may not be flashy, but it nails the basics: comfort, economy, and dependability, making it suited for everyday rides. AutoAce fam, would you pick the Suzuki Access 125 over scooters like the Mio or Click? Comment your thoughts below. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more sulit motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.